Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that few hours ago, the price line of Stellar was once again read the resistance of a rising wedge pattern on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart, then here you can see that once again, the price line is rejected by the resistance. Again, bounced very well from the support. And here we got the last rejection a few hours ago once again and dropped down here at the support. By the way, last time when it was testing the resistance and trying to break it out, at the same time, we also had a bearish divergence flashed on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that the price line formed this high here, and the next high was higher than the previous one, but at the same time you can see that RSI was forming a lower high than previous high. Therefore, the price then followed this bearish divergence signal, moved down, bounced very well from the support of the wedge, and once again it is rejected, and now again it is moving at the support. At the same time, the price line is also moving at this support of 53.1 cents. That was recently working at the resistance here, and now again it is working as a support. At the same time, if we take a look at the RSI, then you can see that RSI on this 4-hour time frame chart is also following a quite long-term up trend line support as well. And since after 1st of November 2024, you can see that the price line, this RSI is following this support. And here, RSI has also found this resistance, a quite horizontal resistance. And the movement of the RSI is quite squeezed inside this support and resistance. And still, it is moving above 50 level. Then we place a trend line here at 50. And you can see that since we have broken it out on 5th of November, we broke it out. Since then, the price line did not break down this level of 50. For a while, we moved down, but the price and not the price and the RSI was bounced from this uptrend line support. And once again, it has tested the support. And for example, if RSI breaks it down, this uptrend line support in this 50 level, then I'm expecting that it can also enter the oversold zone once again, and the price line can follow the movement of the RSI, and it can also break down the support of this wedge. And for example, if the price and the RSI breaks out this resistance, then it can again move towards the overbought zone like it was moved here, and the price can also turn bullish with the movement of the RSI, and it can also try to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this signal has so far produced almost 400 or more than 400% pump. That was a very long-term trade signal because this move was formed on a monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for CETAs, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared few days ago on 25th of November 2024. And if you will scroll it down, then here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now let me take you to the live chart. And before that, I would like to share the targets for this move with you that I shared. This was a quite long-term trade signal that I shared with my members on 29th of May 2022. And when I shared this trade signal at that time, you can see that the price line was moving approximately at 12 cents. And the targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. By the way, this was a very huge bullish Gartley pattern that was formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And the targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence, we're starting from 42.3 cents and goes to 66.81 cents. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has started a very massive reversal. First, it moves sideways here for several months, and after that, the price line has geared up and read the sell target zone and rallied up to 63.74 cents. And so far, it has rallied more than 400%. And by the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here, a few days ago, I was showing you a falling wedge pattern that Stellar formed on a 4-hour time frame chart, and I was telling you that this is the bullish path pattern. Therefore, the price can break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. And you can see that after the breakout, the price has rallied very well. The target for this breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 63 cents. And so far, the price has rallied up to 60 cents. And it is very close to hit that target, by the way. And during this move, the price has formed another rising wedge pattern. That is, in fact, a bearish path move. But I'm expecting that soon, because the momentum is quite bullish for Stellar. Therefore, soon it can break their resistance or break this pattern to the upside. However, if the price breaks it down, then technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge at this long-term support of 40 cents. At the same time, we will also need to keep an eye on this support and resistance that RSI has found on a 4-hour time frame chart. On this 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that it is following a quite long-term uptrend line support and this resistance. And the movement of the RSI is getting squeezed inside this support and resistance, and it is also moving above 50 level. And for example, if RSI breaks down this 50 level and this uptrend line support, then it can drop down to enter the oversold zone once again, and the price can follow the signal, follow the movement of RSI, and it can also break down this rising wedge pattern as well. And for example, if RSI breaks out this resistance, you can see that for the past several days, since after 24th of November, it is following this resistance, then it can again turn bullish and enter the overbought zone, like it was enter the overbought zone here, and here. And the price can also turn bullish with RSI, and it can also try to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. For example, if the price breaks out this rising wedge pattern, then technical target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern will be, as per this measurement, can be here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target can be approximately at 78 cents. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this is the breakout of a very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout. And I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that finally Stellar is about to hit that target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.